Has been preparing us for this storm for the past week. Our team coverage continues right now. Let's start with Ellen Baca. Ellen, good morning.
So we've been seeing that glaze of ice in a lot of spots across West Michigan. One of the biggest reports that we've seen so far, close to about 1/4 of an inch, and that's in the Allegan area. As you're getting up and you're seeing what's outside, please let us know. That's very helpful. But from what we've been seeing from preliminary reports, a lot of us have at least seen that glaze of freezing rain, and some are now switching over to sleet. So if we look at Storm Track Live, we've got a myriad of colors here. And if we stop it and zoom it in, starting from the coldest spots down to the warmest spots, Big Rapids, Fremont, Newaygo, Lakeview, down through Greenville, seeing a sleet to snow mix. This is laying on top of some freezing rain that went down just last night. So it's actually providing just a touch of grip to the roads. South of that, Allendale, Kentwood, Lake Odessa, Wayland, Hastings, Allegan, Saugatuck. That's where we're still seeing potentially freezing rain. And then once we get to Paw Paw and Vicksburg, we transition out of freezing rain to just plain old rain. And that's actually going to be the trend today, very slowly warming temperatures and a transition back to plain old rain. But as we go through the morning hours, we're likely going to continue to see sleet and freezing rain across much of the area. We have winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories until noon. Montcalm County, Muskegon County, Newaygo County, that doesn't expire until 5 o'clock. So here's 6 a.m. on your Futurecast. Again, you can see that big slug of moisture rolling in between 6 to 9. That's going to feed more sleet, more freezing rain, even through noon. Eventually, that freezing line climbing up to Grand Rapids around 3 o'clock and then making it just to the Ionia area closer to 6. Now, this is just one part of this system. We're also talking about that wind, which has been the reason for a lot of the power outages. Matt Kirkwood is here with more on that.
Yeah, Ellen, already 11,000 people without power, and I would expect that number to continue to go up from reports of Consumers Energy. We're looking at my photog right now. He doesn't know it, but I'm watching sleet bouncing off his shoulders at the present time. That's a predominant precip type currently in Grand Rapids. I don't know if you can hear it, but look up to that flag up there. That is amazing. We're getting probably some gusts currently around 35 to 40 miles an hour. Yesterday we had peak gusts around 48 to 50 miles an hour downtown Grand Rapids and also the airport. And as you mentioned, that's the other facet of the storm. Kind of like waves just continuing to roll in on a beach. You get that erosion. Well, as ice collects on the trees with this freezing rain and you have this relentless wind, it weakens the branches and also the trees. So I do expect more branches to fall, therefore more power outages. Okay, let's take a look at current conditions in terms of what I had to drive in this morning. Actually, believe it or not, we've had more sleet than freezing rain in downtown Grand Rapids, and it's hard to believe that little ice balls actually help the traction out there. That's kind of amazing, but things very slippery out there, so it's one of those mornings if you don't have to drive, don't drive. Okay, let's take a look at graphics. The wind is the issue right now. It's still just pounding us out of the east-northeast, and we're still seeing some gusts up around 30 to as much as 40 miles an hour. This wind, fortunately, is going to die down or subside, we call it, later on this afternoon as that area of low pressure moves up. And at also the same time, we should start transitioning into some rain, which Ellen already alluded to. Folks, I know it's bad down here, but up to the north, they've had as much as 5 to 17 inches of snow, and more is on the way. Ellen has a great looking end to the tail end of the 8-day forecast. That's coming up later. Back to you.
All right, Matt Kirkwood outside for us, giving us that perspective, showing us what it looks like. Matt, thanks for that.